This video is about distance measurements on GBD-200 watch. GBD-200 uses accelerometer in combination with unique Casio algorithm to measure distance. Connect your watch with a smartphone to improve the accuracy and to check running log data from the app. Based on the height and other data, the watch determines whether you are walking or running and starts tracking. Connect to your smartphone to calculate your stride using GPS. After correction, obtain measurements without using a smartphone. You can check your running log data from the app. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe Gshock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.